Good evening, everyone. I'd like to welcome you to the opening ceremonies of SAC 2018. Thank you all for joining us at this VIP reception. You are all VIPs in many ways, and you're here because you're a sponsor, an exhibitor, a speaker, a special friend to any of our automotive associations, and numerous other great reasons. So thank you all for coming. First of all, I'd like to thank our premier sponsor for the evening. That's Kia, and they have a very prominent role in this event. And you'll be seeing members from Kia from time to time during our program. To kick things off, I'd like to introduce Tom Croteau. Tom is currently the Deputy Commissioner for Georgia's Global Commerce Division. He has been in that position for 6 years. He has been in professional economic development in the state of Georgia since the late 1980s. So would you please join me in welcoming Tom Croteau.
All right, am I on? I am. Great, thank you. So, welcome, Southern Automotive Conference. Welcome to all of you. We're so thrilled to have you here in Georgia. It is the first time that Georgia is hosting this conference, and it is my pleasure on behalf of the Georgia Department of Economic Development to welcome all of you to Atlanta and to Cobb County. I am told that this conference, as they say, that this conference has a chance to be the largest attended conference in the history of the 11 years that this annual conference has been going on for Southern Automotive Conference. So we're delighted about that. We want to meet and exceed your expectations so that you come back and see us again and have the conference here in Atlanta again or somewhere in Georgia. And we're looking forward to that day. We're so pleased that the automotive industry is alive and doing well, especially in the Southeast. And I think the attendance and this crowd is certainly an indication of that. In Georgia, we have over 300 automotive-related facilities that employ more than 300,000 skilled production workers in our state. Georgia is also the statistically youngest age state in the Southeast, as well as the 8th largest state in the country. So we have, Rick, the skilled production workers for the automotive industry to continue to grow and expand here in Georgia. Okay, I'm just going to finish real quickly by saying we want you to have a good time while you're here. There's lots of things to do while you are in Atlanta and in Cobb County. So if you have a couple of hours during or after the conference, then please get over to the Battery where the SunTrust Park is, where the Braves play. There's a lot of energy going on there right now. There's shops, there's restaurants, there's a souvenir shop over there. Or if you are a college football fan, you can brush up on the history of your favorite team down at the College Football Hall of Fame in downtown Atlanta. You can take the new Atlanta streetcar into Olympic Park and see that College Hall of Fame, or you can visit the world's largest aquarium while you're there, or you can visit the Center for Human and Civil Rights while you're there. You could also take a stroll or a bike ride on the Atlanta Beltway and see some of the urban parks on this new developed Beltway, or Pond City Market while you're there. Or if you're into that millennial thing, then you could hop on a scooter in Tech Square and see all the innovation centers that are popping up there. But we hope you get a chance to get out and experience some of Atlanta and Cobb County while you're here. We're looking forward to a great conference. We know it's going to be a fantastic night that you're in for, some great entertainment, and just want to welcome you again. So thank you and have a great night.
Thank you, Tom. I'd now like to introduce Hugh Thomas with one of our top sponsors, Onan, also known as Onan Staffing. But a secret that I know is that they have one of the best IT departments in the country. They helped us with our website. They helped us with a lot of the work we're doing here. So Hugh, great welcome. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, welcome. On behalf of the men and women of the Onan Group, we would like to welcome you here tonight. I think it's my first opportunity to buy a beer for 800 people, so I'm having a good time. I brought my colleague, Captain McOnan Head, with me in the event that I bomb this speech so he can take over. Do want to tell you, though, while I have a moment, a little about the Onan Group. We started about 25 years ago on the premise that when applicants come through our door, they're going to be greeted with a smile and treated with respect. That hasn't changed. We still share that philosophy. We've been fiscally responsible by investing our profits annually at least 90% back into our company, which puts us on solid footing to continue to invest in our clients, invest in our Onanites, and invest in our teammates with the highest level of employee benefits in our trade. We are excited about what we do. We love to have a culture of people who believe in us to the extent that someone in our IT department will dress up as Captain McOnan Head and join you tonight. So we love Brad. We love the spirit of our company. If anybody is interested in us as an Onanite future person or in any capacity, we'd love to talk to you. And please get your picture made with Captain McOnan Head sometime tonight. Enjoy your evening.
We also want to thank Supplier Development Systems and Jean Marie Thrower, known to some of us as Jeannie Thrower, for arranging, and it's been a labor of love since last January, the matchmaking event that you're all going to participate in this evening. We have 16 OEMs and Tier 1 suppliers here for you to meet, and we hope you take advantage of that opportunity. Jeannie, thank you so much for doing this.